How to use Samsung Galaxy AI writing style feature. To use this feature, first of all, you have to swipe downwards from your home screen to access this quick panel. Then simply tap on the setting gear icon, which is located on the top right. From there, head to Galaxy AI and then find this writing assist option and make sure it is enabled on your device. Once you do so, all you have to do is enable your Samsung keyboard and you should be able to find this sparkling like icon right above your keyboard navigation bar. Then once you write anything, you should be able to find this option. Go ahead and click on it. From there, tap on this writing style and all you have to do is simply write any sentence and you should be able to find the predicted sentence generated by the AI itself over here on this top navigation bar, and to replace it, simply tap on it and it will be replaced. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.